WD-40 Specialist High-Performance Silicone Lubricant not only prevents parts from sticking, it protects against moisture and is formulated for improved high-pressure performance in temperatures ranging from -35 to 200 degrees centigrade. Silicone has excellent compatibility with plastics and rubber. Its unique properties provide a protective layer which helps prevent components from aging or cracking. It has multiple uses, including lubrication of chains, hoists and pulleys, and with the smart straw delivery system engaged, those precision jobs such as lubricating and protecting belts, conveyor systems, runners and washers are easily tackled. WD-40 silicone lubricant can be used on metals, wood, plastics and rubber, so ideal for prolonging the life of components. Job done.